Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarana Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So, in that last session, we discussed about the two sessions like importance of strategic management and strategic management process. And now we are going to discuss very important topic, concept of goals and objectives. Because in your life itself, everybody they are taking risk because of if you have to achieve the goals and objectives. So, what strategy we are using to it will help to achieve the objectives we will see. So, goals and objectives in strategic management. So, defining goals and objectives, understanding the distinction between goals and objectives is essential for effective planning and execution. Establishing clear, smart goals ensure alignment within the team and enhances the strategic direction of projects. So, goals with objectives, importance in strategy, and smart criteria. So, goals are broad, long-term desired outcome, while objectives are specific, measurable targets. Importance in strategy. Clear goals and objectives provide direction for resources and actions. And smart criteria. Goals and objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So, this is the expansion of that SMART, right? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So, what about your focus? And what about the measurement? For example, if it's a performance measurement, and what are the things you have to achieve? And relevant and what duration you have to achieve. That is a smart. So it's a very important. So now we are going to discuss about the design thinking, like goals and objectives. It will be aligned with that design thinking. So what are stages of design thinking means empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So empathy in understanding needs. So goals should be rooted in empathy, ensuring that they address real user needs and challenges, which is a key aspect of design thinking. Ideation for creative solutions. Objectives should encourage creative and innovative solutions. Design thinking promote brainstorming, fostering a culture of experimentation to achieve these objectives. Prototype development. Clear objectives guide the creation of prototypes, allowing strategic management to test and refine ideas based on user feedback. So these are the things: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So, what are the examples of strategic goals? Business expansion. For example, a tech company might set a goal to expand its market presence by 20% within 2 years. So, that is, we already discussed in the last session. Mission and vision is that emphasizing growth in new geographical areas. So, a tech company might set a goal to expand its market presence by 20% within 2 years, emphasizing growth in new geographical areas. Product innovation. So whatever that you are doing a business, the innovation is very, very important. A goal could be to launch a new product line aimed at solving a specific customer problem, thereby driving sales and increasing brand loyalty. Loyalty is something, but continuously you have to purchase the product. Customer satisfaction, aiming for a 90% customer satisfaction rate through enhanced service quality, helps a service-oriented organization focus and measure its progress. So these are the examples of strategic goals like business expansion, product innovation, and customer satisfaction. So what are the examples of the strategic objectives? Now we discussed about the goals objective. So market research completion, set an objective to complete market research by Q2, ensuring data is available for informed decision making on potential expansion. So market research completion. So if you're conducting a research, it's nothing but you are going to conduct a survey. So new product launch date. So establishing an objective to launch the product by the end of the fiscal year. Create a timeline for the development and marketing teams. So new product innovation. So whatever the innovation, you have to concentrate on the new product launch date and training program initiation. Creating an objective to train 100 employees in design thinking methodologies within the next 6 months enhances innovation capacity. So these are the examples of strategic objective because objective is nothing but in every employee and every human being and every they are doing business, you are having some objective. So without objective, we can't run your business. So objectives are very important. So market research completion, new product launch date, and training program. These are the examples of the strategic objectives. So what is the measuring success? So KPI, key performance indicators, establishing key performance indicators help track progress towards goals and objectives. Regular reviews, you have to conduct the regular reviews like conducting regular strategy reviews allows for evaluating effectiveness. Feedback loop, implementing feedback mechanism, ensure goals remain relevant. So these are the things they have to measure the success of the organization. The KPI is a common for every organization and regular reviews you have to conduct. For example, if it has some marketing, what about your sales? So how to attract the customers? So these are the things they have to analyze through KPI. So finally, we come to the challenges in implementation. So successfully implementing strategies within an organization can be hindered by various challenges such as alignment issues, resource constraints, and changing market conditions. Addressing these challenges requires strategic thinking and effective communication across departments. So what are the challenges? Means alignment issues, resource constraint, and changing market conditions. So alignment issues nothing but misalignment between departmental goals and overall organization. So there is no misalignment. Alignment means you have to align with that particular goal and objective, and can create confusion and inefficiency, necessitating clear communication. Then it is resource constraints. Limited resources may hinder the ability to meet objectives, requiring strategy prioritization and effective resource allocation. Changing market conditions, external factors such as economic shift can impact the relevance of establishing goals and objectives, necessitating agility and flexibility in strategic planning. So, these are the challenges in implementation. Finally, we come to the challenge strategic management conclusion. So, integrating goals with strategy. So, whatever the goals and objective, it will be aligned with your goals. So, effective strategic management involves the continuous integration of goals and objectives, adapting them through insights gained from in design thinking, sustaining competitive advantage. So in that last session also we discussed about the competitors. So by focusing on clear goals and measurable objectives, an organization can enhance their strategic initiatives, ensuring they remain competitive and responsive to market changes. So in the modern scenario, everyone know about that AI. So definitely that is a sustainable competitive advantage. Then future directions, organizations should embrace evolving methodologies and framework to refine their approach to goal setting and objectives, fostering a culture of innovation and responsiveness. So now you clearly understand about that in that three session like importance of strategic management and also strategic management process and goals and objectives in strategic management. These three topics are very important in that organization. So, in that vision and mission we discussed in that session. So, vision is a long-term goal, mission is a long-term vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. So, every organization they have to follow this. These three topics are very important if you are running a business. So, thank you all for watching. Thank you all.